Yes, Solo Kings again. Until I see changes, I'm not going to stop to talk. Now what did they pay me? They pay me well. Now I can't talk today. Now I go sing about today. They say pikin when he cry. Now they give breast. Hey. When Yoruba man want to party, Yoruba musicians go play. Igbo man want to party, Igbo musicians go play. Ijaw man want to party, Ijaw musicians go play. All these tribes never leave their musicians. Oturobo people, they go carry Lagos musicians. Isoko people, they go carry Lagos musicians. Why? E no good oh. If you don't promote your own, oh, who go promote them? Why? E no good oh. If you betray your musicians, you be mumu man. The Isoko and Urobo singers are highly and powerfully talented, but they are the most rejected and abused by their own people. I'm talking from experience. Hey, you get one thing they call orangbunu. You know they fly, but your mouth you pass wish. You pass wish where they fly for night. You use your mouth to they condemn your own musician, your own tribe musician. Say no man, I know sabi dance. Must I climb canopy first before you know say I be musician? When you name this one, you know say this person God bless him. Now God give him. Make we don't use our mouth to spoil our own thing. And they beg Urobo and Isoko rich men who promote our tribe musicians. The Yoruba musicians, the Igbo musicians, even the Ijaw when they Delta State here, they are better than Yoruba and Isoko musicians. Far, you can't compare. Because one, their people value them. Now what you value, now you they spend money put. Make una value also. This is Mumu Love part 2. So na part 2. And you musician, when they talk, say what is Solo King sing for them. I pray make the poverty will not blind your eye, make it not last long. This cry why they cry so now for all of us. I be you don't know say Fenog na Urobo man, you don't know. Fenog na poor man. All the program what they do for Glorious Fountain, he never promote any Urobo Isoko musician once. What do we do Fenog? Wanna help me ask him? All the big musicians from abroad, they don't bring them come airport road. They pay them millions. Oga, daddy, what will stop you from promoting us? Our head not they forbid millions. And also not be your fault. Now some of all these wicked musicians where they close to all these rich men and they square us. Say not take a more. And they leave out. That one, you don't know God though. Now you know God. On the last day, heaven will disappoint you. I know now, when I not make me call on a name. If I verse, I'll call people name. When Yoruba man want to party, Yoruba musicians go play. Igbo man want to party, Igbo musicians go play. Ijaw man want to party, Ijaw musicians go play. All these tribes never leave their musicians. Oturobo people, they go carry Lagos musicians. Isoko people, they go carry Lagos musicians. Why? E no good oh. If you don't promote your own, oh, who go promote them? Why? E no good oh. If you betray your musicians, you be mumu man. Yes, special thanks to our big father in the Lord, Pastor Emefiele of the Champions Cathedral, Airport Road, now Redeem Church. I like your good works. God bless you, sir. All the programs what they do for Airport Road, no Urobo Isoko musician don't go there go sing once. I beg Oga, promote Urobo and Isoko gospel musicians. Now beg nice Solo Kings Day. Promote us. Those millions when they pay those people. What do you mean they don't pay us? I be our head not good for millions. I beg not because I do. Now what they see, now what they experience, what they happen, now they talk so. I need change. Akbo. Why? E no good oh. If you don't promote your own, oh, who go promote them? Why? E no good oh. If you betray your musicians, you be mumu man. You still get some people where they promote their own. not only pastors, but make I mention only one. I beg, make I mention one. I want thank the People's General, the prophetic professor, Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufe of the Mercy City. I love your way, I love your style. Anytime in the minister, he go sing a tribe song. Now he's your song, like the minister. He promotes his your songs, he promotes his your nation, he promotes his your music. Now the God will protect you for us. All the good works what you do for his your musicians. Even me, Solo Kings. I don't say you never do for me or you go do my own. But I still greet you in advance. I salute you. I salute your grace. If I don't mention this name, God self not go forgive me. Prophet E.O. Ernest Untouchable of the Untouchable City. This man promotes Isoko music, the Ebio music. He promotes them worldwide. God bless you, sir. If you not talk, they're not going to hear you. That make me the talk, because picky when he cry, now they give breast. When Yoruba man want to party, Yoruba musicians go play. Igbo man want to party, Igbo musicians go play. Ijaw man want to party, Ijaw musicians go play. All these tribes they value their musicians. Oturobo people they go carry Lagos musicians. Isoko people they go carry Lagos musicians. Why? E no good oh. If you not promote your own oh, who go promote them? Why? E no good oh. If you betray your musicians, you be mumu man.